Hey everyone, I'm Anna from For Real. Tired of crooked photos or struggling with composition on your iPhone or iPad? This video shows you exactly how to enable the camera grid on your iPhone or iPad step by step. If you've ever felt frustrated trying to line up the perfect shot, or wished your photos had better balance using your iPhone or iPad camera, you're in the right place. It can be tricky to get that professional look, but a simple setting can make a huge difference. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to enable the camera grid on your iPhone or iPad. It's super quick, easy, and will instantly help you improve your photos and videos by applying principles like the rule of thirds. Let's get started. Okay, step 1. First, you need to open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. This is the gray icon with gears, usually found on your home screen. Tapping this will take you to all your device's settings. This is where we access many iOS camera features. All right, once you're in Settings, for step 2, scroll down the main menu until you find Camera. It's usually grouped with other app settings. Tap on Camera to open its specific options. This is where you can adjust your iPhone camera settings. Quick pause. If you're finding this tutorial helpful so far and want to improve your photography, please give this video a quick like. It really helps others find it and lets me know you want more tips like this. Okay, back to our camera settings. Now for step 3. Inside the camera settings, you'll need to scroll down a bit. Look for a heading called Composition. This section contains tools to help you frame your shots better, including the grid we're looking for. And finally, step 4. Under the Composition section, you'll see an option labeled Grid. Simply tap the toggle switch next to Grid. It will slide to the right and turn green, indicating that the camera grid is now enabled. This is key for using the rule of thirds effectively. That's it. Now, when you open your camera app, you'll see a 3x3 grid overlay on your screen. A quick pro tip. This grid is fantastic for applying the rule of thirds, a basic photography principle where you place key elements of your scene along the grid lines or at their intersections. It can make your photos much more visually appealing. And remember, you can easily turn it off by following the same steps if you ever need to. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you now know exactly how to enable the camera grid on your iPhone or iPad. No more guessing with your shots. You can now easily improve your photo and video composition and get those perfectly aligned pictures. If you found this tutorial useful and want more quick tips for your iPhone, iPad, and other tech, make sure to hit that subscribe button to For Real and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next video. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you today. And let me know in the comments, what other iPhone or iPad features do you want to learn about? I might cover it in a future tutorial. Thanks for watching. I'm Anna from For Real, and I'll see you in the next one.